Hey everyone, I'm Jack from PixelPlus Studio. In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva in just 10 minutes. If you are a complete beginner, don't worry. No experience needed. By the end of this video, you will know how to create a design, add text, add images, change colors, and finally, download your works. Let's start. What is Canva? Canva is a simple design tool. You can use it online. You don't need to install heavy softwares. You can create Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, posters, presentations, as well as a logo. It is perfect for beginners. Go to canva.com in the Google and sign up for free. Now, create your first design here. After login, click on Create a Design. You will see many options. For this tutorial, choose Instagram post as an example for the practice. Now you will see a blank page. This is your design area. On the left side, you will see templates, elements, text, and uploads. Don't worry, I'll explain everything if you watch this video till the end. For this practice, use templates. Click on templates. You will see many ready-made designs. Any simple one? You can choose it. Click on it. It appears on your page. Template saves time. Beginners should always start with templates. You can change the words, change the size, change colors, or even the fonts. Keep it simple. I'll tell you simple design tricks. Just use one or two fonts or one or two colors. Too many fonts or colors makes design messy. Now, try to add some elements on your design. Click on Elements. Here you can find shapes, icons, lines, and graphics. For example, if you want to add a circle, search circle, add a shape, change its color. Elements make your design more interesting. Now, let's add one image that you can use from Canva, or you can upload your own from your PC or a phone. Drag and drop the image, resize it by clicking on its corner. Now, you can change the background color also. Click on empty space. Now click on the color box at the top. Choose any color you like. Again, I'll tell you some design tricks. As a overall, always use 2 to 3 colors. Keep it clean. Don't mess with many colors as you are a beginner. Now your design is ready. Click on Share on the right side of the canvas. Then click on the Download. Choose PNG if you want to upload for social medias. For JPG if you want small size files. Click Download. You are done. Now, I'm going to tell you some bonus tips for beginners. Keep your design simple. Do not use too many colors. I already mentioned before. Do not use too many fonts. Leave space between elements. Do not make your image or elements too compact. Clean designs look professional. Thank you. And if you want to see my continuous course on the graphic design, please subscribe my channel and comment below beginner. I'll reach out at any time for you. And you can also contact me through my social media, which I will be linking below in the video description if you are really concerned about learning the design. That's it. Now you know how to use Canva as a beginner. Practice every day. Design improves with action. If you want to learn graphic design step by step, subscribe to the PixelPlus Studio. See you in the next video.